Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday at 11 a.m. and it is snowing. Look at that. When I got up this morning around 8 o'clock, it wasn't snowing. And now it's coming down. They're saying anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. Lord, I sure hope not. Now I'm going to take you around to the front and show you what it looks like out front. Okay, we are out in the front. The sidewalk is covered. I don't have to worry about shoveling that because no one ever uses the front door. They always go around to the back and use the back. But look how beautiful that is. And it's very cold. It's like 24 degrees. It's cold. Look at that. And I would say if this continues all day, we will get a lot. And you'll see the road out there. It is narrow, and seems like out in the country, they're always the last to plow the roads. My son called this morning to see if I needed anything and told me to stay in. Well, I know what that's all about, because he knows if I get out and get hung up or anything, then he has to come to my rescue. So, no, I don't plan on going anywhere today. I think this is part of God saying, slow down, stay in, get cozy on the sofa, watch movies, or if you got the energy, just do some organization, do some cleaning, some cooking, and that's what I plan on doing, is some cooking. I'm going to be doing some bacon and eggs this morning, and I made a roast yesterday, and so my leftover roast, I'm going to make some vegetable beef soup. That'll be good. I'm also going to be making some coleslaw. I'm going to start cleaning out my pantry, using up things that are old and canned goods and stuff like that. And I'm just going to use what I have. So that is what I have for y'all today. Let me know in your comments where you're from and what kind of weather are you having. Thanks each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and leaving me comments. I really love reading your comments, and I do respond to each and every one of you because you are my YouTube family.